Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Make sure to have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small screws during the process. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV14 from the power source. Safety first. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws carefully. There are typically 4 screws to take out. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the body of the vacuum. This may require a little force, but be careful not to damage any clips. As you remove the back cover, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum with your soft brush. This will improve the performance of your device. With the back cover off, you will now see the motor assembly. Use the flathead screwdriver to disconnect any wiring connected to the motor. Note the position of each wire for reassembly later. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the motor in place. Again, use the T15 Torx screwdriver to take these out. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor out of its compartment. Inspect the old motor for any signs of damage or wear. Now it's time to install the new motor. Position the new motor in place and secure it with the screws you just removed. Make sure it is tightly fitted to avoid any rattling or movement during operation. Reconnect the wiring as noted earlier. Ensure that each wire is connected firmly to prevent any electrical issues. If you're unsure about the connections, you can refer to the user manual or seek assistance. It's worth mentioning that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so if you prefer a professional to handle the installation, just let us know. After reconnecting the wires, replace the back cover of your Dyson SV14. Align it carefully and press it back into place until you hear a click. Secure it with the screws you removed at the beginning. Make sure all screws are tightly fastened. Finally, before you plug in your vacuum, give it a thorough cleaning. Use the soft brush to remove any remaining dust around the motor area and the back cover. This will help maintain the efficiency of your vacuum. Now, plug in your Dyson SV14 and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and ensure it operates smoothly. If it doesn't seem right, remember, we offer a quote before repair, so you can get an estimate without any commitment. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV14. Enjoy your freshly repaired vacuum and the satisfaction of completing the task yourself. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help, as we're here to support you without any calls or travel required. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.